The General Overseer, Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor Enoch Adeboye, has lamented the arrest of one of his church pastors abroad. He said the pastor was arrested for addressing those in attendance at a program, Ladies and Gentlemen. According to Adeboye, the statement was considered discriminatory because it did not capture all of the genders identified by their culture. The pastor revealed this during the church monthly Thanksgiving service at the RCCG Throne of Grace in Lagos State on Sunday. His sermon, which was broadcasted to all parishes of the church, was titled "My Father's House." The end is nearer than you think. Things are getting worse, and this is a wake-up call. One of my pastors abroad was arrested for simply addressing a gathering as ladies and gentlemen. Some people reported him for discrimination, asking, "What about those who are neither ladies or gentlemen?" He stated. The clergyman also recounted another disturbing story of a woman who referred to her dog as her husband. The General Overseer shared how he asked about her spouse. The woman claimed, "I took him to the vet before coming. He doesn't talk," describing her husband as a dog. Adeboye expressed concern about the erosion of moral values worldwide, viewing this incident as signs of the end times. Those of you already in Christ, take this matter seriously. Do not let anyone weaken your stand. God is holy. Don't still playing in church, singing, clapping, and enjoying things without genuine commitment. Remember, Jesus is coming back. The devil wants to harvest you, but you must not give him the opportunity. I want to see you in my Father's house, he noted. Adeboye, known for talking about national issues and dealings of the church, expressed discontent regarding the arrest. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more real-time updates.